Write the formulas for 1. Potassium sulfate, 2. Ammonium carbonate, and 3. Copper 1 sulfide. You will need your periodic table and table 3.2 from the text. Pause the video to determine the answers. The first thing we need to determine is the charge of each ion. Potassium has a charge of positive 1 and sulfate ends in 8, so it is a polyatomic ion with a charge of negative 2. Ammonium is also a polyatomic ion with a charge of plus 1. Carbonate is a polyatomic ion with a charge of negative 2. Copper 1 has a charge of plus 1 because that is what the Roman numeral 1 means. And sulfide is a monoatomic anion with a negative 2 charge. Each cation has a charge of positive 1 and each anion has a charge of negative 2. We need 2 cations to get a total charge of positive 2 to cancel out the negative 2 of the anion. The formula for potassium sulfate is capital K subscript 2, capital S, capital O subscript 4. Since 2 ammonium cations are needed to cancel out the negative 2 charge of carbonate, we put parentheses around the formula for ammonium since it's a polyatomic ion and a subscript of 2. Without the parentheses, the formula would have a subscript of 42 for the hydrogen, which is not correct. Whenever more than one polyatomic ion is required in a formula, we use parentheses. Parentheses capital N capital H subscript 4, end of parentheses subscript 2, capital C capital O subscript 3 is the formula for ammonium carbonate. The formula for copper 1 sulfate is capital C lowercase u subscript 2 capital S.